After Irunmole completed the Ifa divination, sacrifices were offered and he approached Olodumare to confirm that he was ready to guide all the Irunmoles to earth. Olodumare responded affirmatively. The Mẹ́rìndínlógún accompanied Irunmole on this journey from heaven to earth. They arrived within a month, and during this time, Yeye Osun also descended, accompanied with the Mẹ́tàdínlógún. It is said that the Odu associated with Irunmole's wife was present during this transition. The children of the Mẹ́rìndínlógún born by the Odu for Irunmole were the last to arrive on earth. Interestingly, they made their descent independently without Irunmole's assistance. However, below are the first two batches of the Irunmole who came to earth. The first batch were Ọbàtálá, Gwede, Ìyàmí, Òyígí, Àjàlọ́run tọ̀run, Afẹ́fẹ́lẹ̀lẹ̀ awo Ìsálayé, Oyinfẹ̀rẹ̀ awo Àlọ́run, Agogo Ṣékété Mọ̀lẹ́jìgbò, Ọ̀pẹ̀pẹ̀ Alẹ̀, Àṣẹ, Àbá, Lálọ́lá, Ìmọ̀ràn, Ìjókòó Bíríkìtì Kalẹ̀, Ojúrere ń wò wọ́n, Ìlẹ́ ọmọ olókun. The second batch were Lágbóòkun, Àjàgà, Ológbòjò, Ọ̀sanyìn, Ṣànpọ̀nná, Ògún, Ṣàngó, Èṣù Ọ̀dàrà, Gbúùkú, Pẹ́pẹ́, Òrìṣà oko, Báyọ̀nì, Ọ̀rẹ́, Ọ̀ṣun, Boríborí, Ẹ̀gbà, Èṣe. These Irunmoles were tasked with addressing the challenges faced by their people and the lineages they managed. As they grew weary from their responsibilities, they approached Irunmole to express their concerns. In response, Irunmole decided to cast Ifa once more, revealing the Odu known as Ose Tura, which says, Kọ́nuńkọ́ ni awo èwí ní àdó, Ọlọ́run mú dẹ̀dẹ̀dẹ̀ ṣe okùn, awo òde Ìjẹ̀ṣà, akàn ń bẹ ní odò, wọ́n ó máa là ká ayé pẹ́pẹ́pẹ́, awo ojú omi, àwọn ló dífá fún ẹ̀kẹrìndínlógún oródù tí wọ́n ń ti ìkọ̀lé ọ̀run bọ̀ wá sí ìkọ̀lé ayé. Wọ́n dé ilé ayé tán, wọ́n la igbódù sí ilẹ̀, wọ́n la igbó ọ̀pá, wọ́n kọ̀ wọ́n ò fi ìmọ̀ jọ ti Ọ̀ṣun, wọ́n ṣe ilé ayé kò gún mọ́, wọ́n fọ́n wọ́n re ọ̀dọ̀ Olódùmarè. Olódùmarè ní ẹ̀kẹtàdínlógún yìí ń kọ́. Ó ní kí ni ó dé tí ẹ̀yin kì í fi ké sí i. Nígbà tí wọ́n dé ilé ayé, wọ́n bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí í ké sí Ọ̀ṣun, ni wọ́n bá ń kí i pé Ládékojú orí yèyí Ọ̀ṣun. A rí pẹpẹ kó idẹ sí. Ìyá Ìjùmú. Òyéyé ní ìmọ̀. Ọ̀ṣun kò dá wọn lóhùn. Ó ní orúkọ òun wá ń lé sí ni. Wọ́n ní Ọ̀ṣun ò tí tún máa jẹ́. Ó ní òun ní agbájá. A bá wọn péjọ ní ìdí ìmọ̀ràn. Ládékojú oore yèyí Ọ̀ṣun. Dear viewers, your support means the world to me. If you enjoy my content and want to see more, consider becoming a member by clicking the join button below. You can choose a membership category that suits you best. And every bit helps me continue creating the content you love. Additionally, if you would like to show your appreciation, you can equally use the super thanks button below or visit the donation link in the description. Your contributions make a significant difference and motivate me to keep pushing forward. Thank you for being part of this amazing community. Get a better life. To be continued.